Hey guys! We're back at it again. We have to be a little bit more quiet because my parents are sleeping upstairs. But we are making a cake. What kind of cake are we making today?
Glad you asked. We are making.
Okay, here's our inspiration. We have all the colors. It'll be super fun and bright, and he poops cupcakes.
Yeah, we're really gonna show off how he poops cupcakes.
We should put a announcement. We are coming out with a horror skit. So stay tuned for
It's
that.
a horror movie.
It's a horror skit.
Movie.
Skit.
Movie.
Get the bowl.
Movie.
Get the bowl.
Okay.
Get the bowl.
Okay.
She ate a battery when she was a kid, so that's why she's like this. All right, perfect. There's a little schnob here.
You do, but
Get the freaking other bowl. Oh my god. I'm like, she's like the little autistic kid.
whoa. Okay, I hear you. I hear you.
Here, bowl.
Early we fall.
She did the job. Yes, ma'am.
Star mom. I just know I'm a star mom. I can't help always being a stellar mom. I'm gonna start the cake batter because I don't like her. So first, what you gotta do, this is instructions on how to make a cake, okay? So first, you need this exact size bowl. If you don't have this exact size bowl, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work now, okay? Then you open the batter up. And then you pour it in.
You started making the cake without me?
No.
Okay, so here is our target. Back up so they can see everything you're doing.
Take off her head.
I want to pop it off.
Oh, put her hair in strings like his hair. Good job.
There's mold growing inside of her. It's fine. I'll wash her out.
No, don't, because then the cake's gonna be wet.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a little bit of a moldy cake. Why can I not see anything?
Merrily we fall.
I'm only one. No, because now I can't see a single thing.
Get the oil.
You guys better edit this.
Wait. Uh-oh. I guess I dropped the batter.
Look. Oh, what'd they do to it? Oh, the oil. It has no label, so it's a little suspicious, but these poor people. Boom. There we go. Why do you have water? You're supposed to use a liquid measuring cup. Bro, have you never actually baked before?
I forgot about.
We freaking always bake together. Why
I
are you
forgot
acting
about
so slow?
I forgot about liquid. I forgot that liquids like were different. How much?
That's, you have to fill it up more. Wait, why are you using the good water?
So we can have good cake.
I wanna show them my master cracking skills. Wait, I wanna show them my cracking skills. You guys ready?
You're not that good at it. Oh, you got so much shell.
That wasn't me.
Oh my frick.
I got it out.
No, there's some. Oh, it's gonna be crunchy, bro.
A little crunch never hurt nobody. I like crunch.
Crunch ain't good.
Okay. Frostings are ready. This pretty much just looks orange. Well, it looks orange on camera. It's actually more pink in real life. Okay. Get her ready. Alright, uh-oh. There's pans in there.
Oh my
Gotta use my Hanukkah. We are not Hanukkah, but my cousin's boyfriend, my cousin's boyfriend got us these because he is Hanukkah. We celebrate Christmas in this house. Ugh.
Oh yes, you're doing good, baby.
It is
deep in there.
Sticker in. Oh. Are these supposed to go next to each other? Yeah. Wait, how long?
10 minutes. Wait, 2 for now. Oh, shoot. What kind of pan we got?
We have like 8 rounds. That's a lot. Let's just do like 25 minutes.
26 minutes.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go clean up, and we'll be back once the cakes are out of the oven. Bam! Because that's where all the cool people put. Sorry, guys. Using our Hanukkah oven mitts. Are you filming? Okay.
Time has passed pretty quick, huh? It's only been like a minute.
We just made our YouTube account. Like, we were filming this the whole time without a freaking YouTube account. We just made it, guys. Ouch! Oh, mother flipper.
Merrily we fall.
Yummy. It's still like doughy. Feel it. Oh wait, no, it's not.
Fork. I guess 26 minutes was really the right way.
Look, I'm turning brown because it burnt me.
Bro, you are not turning brown.
Look at my freaking skin.
Where?
Oh my god, I'm bleeding.
Girl, that you can rub that off.
It was teriyaki sauce.
Turn the oven off right now. Wait, no, shoot, I did not turn it off. Oh, yes! Oh, yes. Stop, bro, you're too loud.
Okay, guys, so let's set up.
Welcome to Animal Detective.
Ziggy, Alexa.
An animal.
Alexa, stop. Frick. We need to let them
good,
cool
right?
for 10 minutes. No!
I'm making sure it's done.
Yeah, I know, but like, okay.
We need to take them
No,
out
we
of the-
actually need to let them cool
No,
for 10
they
minutes.
cool better out the pan.
Yeah, I know, but like, we need to let them cool for 10 minutes. Because it always melts, and it doesn't ever come out good when it melts.
Should I do it like this? Oh, wait, hold on.
What are you doing?
It's hot. Maybe it doesn't get burnt hotness. Oh.
Flat side first, baby. Oh no, film me doing this. Scary.
Okay. Sorry, camera
Wait, what do I
quality is a
do?
little off. Flip it.
Onto this?
Yeah. We're gonna put the flat sides towards each other.
This one is the one that didn't have as much pan.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait, cut. Oh, because I cut the other one out.
Oh,
Put
shoot.
it normal. Put it normal. Hurt. It's okay. Mama Bear's got it covered. Oh, shoot. I was filming the film.
Mama bear.
I wish we had like a professional. We should use Sarah as our professional filmer.
Yeah. She's
Is it
only a
coming out?
photographer.
Is it coming out? Yes! Bro, let's
shoot,
freaking
little
go.
corner. Can we put this one on the bottom?
Yeah,
Let's get another
flat
plate.
side first.
Let's get another plate.
Okay. Actually, no. Let's put the flat
oh.
side here. Actually, I like it better like this. I like it better.
Yeah, I do too, but
It's fine.
yes.
Do we need to let it cool?
Let's
Ziggy
just- wait.
or Alexa, whatever.
Can we just like put icing right there so we can connect them.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, and then we can put it in the fridge so it
Yeah,
cools
yeah,
faster.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, then,
We're talking
did you do that?
No, that wasn't.
Oh shoot, why am I looking in the fridge? Here, wait. Oh, that was kind of loud. Yeah, I forgot we had to be quiet, guys. It's okay. Okay. Back over here on our grind. Yes, we are filming on a phone. We should film on like Snapchat or something because actually the phone quality sucks. Wait, what are you doing? You have to get like a big clump and slap it on there. Yep.
Oh shoot.
Not that aggressive, hun.
You said
Mama Bear has
slab
to
when I
help.
think about slab, I think.
Yeah, I was gonna do that too.
Slab.
More, hun, more. More is better. More is better.
Merrily we fall out of line.
More.
Out of line.
More. I'll tell you when. No.
Oh, this is gonna be a good 2-layer cake.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Nah.
Should we add more? You have to really get the edges. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Slap her on.
Okay, wait.
Flat side up.
With this part. Oh, look how smooth.
Flat
that
side up.
is.
Flat side up. Bro.
If it just broke, that would have been so sad. Oh, perfect.
Look at this beauty. Can we get a side picture? Oh. Can we get this? Oh. The middle. Yum. Looks like Freddy Fazbear's mouth.
What's
I don't want to let it cool. Oh, we're putting
No,
it in
we
the
have
freezer. Okay, hold on. We'll be right back, guys.
Cake is done.
Wait, where's the
Looks like a Big Macaroon.
Oh, yeah.
This.
Okay.
This.
The head is a little miscolored. Frick, her hair is way too freaking long. Should we cut it?
Yeah, got it.
Head secured. You messed it up.
Why is it not squirting out? Look. It's perfect.
All in a day's work. She's got them. Yeah.
Makes the legs like wheel.
Cute. Oh shoot, you forgot to do the toes.
Oh, I could do the toes. Don't worry. I'm good at toes.
Okay, cute.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's gonna mix. If anything, we had a piping bag before. We should have made it for this part.
Yeah, we should.
Should I put it on her hair? No, we'll just, I don't want to, because I want to eat it.
Yeah.
I think she's got some goop on her face.
Hey there, darling.
I use this Barbie. I play with her. Okay, that looks good.
Yeah. 3:16 on the dot. Look at her beauteous,
It's okay.
luscious locks. Also a big slice.
Anybody want a bite? Yum. Cheers. One. Cheers. Film me eating it. Okay. Or yourself, fatty. You're not even filming. Good. Guys, that was it for our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our gaming channel. Where we
Comment
do our
down
vlogs.
below pizza if you like this video, and if you want to see more like this.
Click that notification bell so you can see whenever we posted. And subscribe, guys.
And I'll see
Goodbye.
you guys in the next one.
Never we fall out of line.